Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. This question is asking to find the force on the sides of the barrel. So we have to find the force right here. So to find the force, what we can do, we can use this formula. P is equal to F over A. So we have to find the force. So this is going to be F is equal to P times A. So area, first let's find the area. So area of the barrel is going to be, first of all, we have to find the circle in the both bottom and the top. So this is going to be 2 times pi r square. And here we can, so here they have given the length of the circle, that is 2 pi r is equal to 1.5. But we have to find the radius. So to find the radius, what I can do, 2 pi r is equal to 1.5. So if I divide this one by 2 pi, I can find the radius. So r is equal to 1.5 over 2 pi, and if I divide, I get the value of 0.24 meter. So we have this value right here, so we can find the, now we can find the area. Now also we have to find this area right here, so we have to treat this one as rectangle. So this as rectangle, and then if I multiply height, so height is provided 1 meter, and if I multiply the height by its width, so in this case the width is going to be just the length of the circle. So let's do this. So this is going to be a plus, so let's say a is going to be equal to a side and plus a top. So this is a top, and a side is going to be h2 times c. So c is what is provided right here, so that's length of the circle. Then if we calculate this area, this is going to be 2 times phi r square. So phi 2 times phi times r square is going to be 0.24 square. So 0.24 square plus 1 times 1.5. So if you calculate this value, this one comes out to be 1.86 meters square. So we have found the area. So let's put area total. We have found the area, so we have to find the P. So to find the P, what I have to do, I have to find, so P, first of all, let's do, so this is the water pouring, this guy is pouring the water. So P is going to be equal to rho g total height, so let's put its Y. And for the water, density is going to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So this is going to be 1000 kilogram per meter cube, and G is going to be 9.8 1 meter per second square, and height. So for the height, what I have to do, so we are taking the average pressure. So when we take the average pressure, it's going to be acting exactly on the middle of the barrel. So we have h1 right here, so we have to calculate this total height. So h1 and h2 by 2. So the height is going to be h1 plus h2 by 2, h1 plus h2 by 2. So in this case, this is going to be 20 plus 1 by 2. So h2 is 1, so 1 by 2. And we have all the values right here. So if we multiply everything, we can find the P. So if we multiply this one together, this comes out to be 200,900 Newton per meter square. So we have the P right now. So now we can calculate the F. So F is going to be simply multiplication of these two. So let's do this. F is going to be equal to P times A. P is 900 times 1.86 meters square. So if we multiply, we get, this comes out to be 373,674 Newton. So if you want to give it in pounds, this is going to be approximately 83,000 pounds. And that's the final answer. And that's how it's done. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.